life is different. Time doesn't move hour to hour, but mood to moment. We live by the currents, plan by tides, and follow the sun.
Good morning. So, what's the menu today?
It's some butter toast, banana, and egg.
Ching?
But it's very difficult to cook on the induction. We just could not understand how to set the temperature. And here goes some pepper. It enhances the taste of the food, utilizing that.
गुड मॉर्निंग टीम देशवर रंगरेज।
मॉर्निंग।
हाय, सो आज का प्लान है
आज का प्लान है चर्चेस देखना, जो कि नॉर्थ गोवा में है। मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर इन पंजिम एंड वेल्हा। तो हमें थोड़ा निकलने में लेट हो गया। लेट्स सी कितने चर्चेस हम जा सकते हैं, कवर कर सकते हैं।
सो वन थिंग टू मेंशन इज़ इमैक्युलेट कंसेप्शन चर्च। ये 10 से 12 ओपन रहती है और उसके बाद इट गेट्स क्लोज एंड अगेन गेट्स ओपन बाय 3 till 5. सो यू हैव टू प्लान योर डे अकॉर्डिंगली। और विल ट्राई सम डेजर्ट्स ऑल्सो टुडे इन पंजिम, जैसे आलबेले हो गया एंड
ट्रेडिशनल
मंगने आलबेले एंड व्हाट ऑल वी सॉ
लेट्स सी। आई हैव
मोइरा बनाना। हाँ, लेट्स सी।
Hello, we were going to Panjim, and on our way, we just saw this beautiful church and thought we'll just take a glimpse and show you also. This is called Sanctuary of Saint Joseph Vaz.
Right.
Old architecture, particularly it's in white and yellow. It's a big church, quite spread up the area, but right now it's closed. As you can see,
Work is going on. Good afternoon, team Desmond and Grace. So we are just on the way Basilica of the Born Jesus in Panaji, and we just at St. John the Baptist Church here in Ganapoli. Isn't it nice?
hello everyone. So as you can see behind us is the church called Saint Cajetan, and it is just beside Sea Cathedral, so you can just walk down or you can park here. Right now it is all empty and we just love this place.
There are a lot of architecture. It has like paintings of the Italian school, canvases depicting some scenes of the life of Saint Cajetan. So we'll check.
And it's beautiful. So come, let's see.
तो हम आ चुके हैं अभी सेंट कैजेटन चर्च पे। ये एकमात्र चर्च है जहाँ पे इटालियन आर्किटेक्चर फॉलो किया गया है और ये थिएटिन फ्रायर्स ने बनाया था 1600 शताब्दी में। चर्च के आसपास आप बहुत पुरानी, बहुत ही कीमती पेंटिंग्स मिलेंगे और बहुत सारा वुडवर्क भी है देखने लायक। और बीच में एक स्टोन है। कहा जाता है कि यहाँ एक पुरानी मंदिर हुआ करता था जहाँ पे उसके बाद आदिल शाह ने अपनी महल बनाई और आखिर में ये इटालियंस के हाथ लग गए और यहाँ पे चर्च बन गई। सेंट कैजेटन से निकलते ही हम लोग पहुँचे वाइसरॉय आर्च। ये फ्रांसिस्को ड गामा ने बनाया था 1600 शताब्दी में, और दिस इज़ अ मेमोरियल टू रेस्पेक्ट वास्को ड गामा।
Hi, on the right side of the St. Cajetan is the Viceroy Arch, and we are just entering inside. So come. Hi, so now we are in front of Sea Cathedral Church, and I think it is open now. So let's just go inside and check it out. So we are now in the Sea Cathedral complex, and as you saw, we have already covered Sea Cathedral. This is the museum which they have. It's an archaeological museum. The campus itself is like really big. You can just, now it is too hot, but I'm sure in the evening it will be a very nice place to take a stroll. And right opposite to Sea Cathedral is Bom Jesus, which we are going to go now. And they have really maintained the area, as you can see, with some nice gardens and
No cars inside.
yes, no cars are allowed inside, so you need to park it outside and come. It's always easy if you take your two-wheeler. And they have a canteen. And facilities for drinking water and toilets. And now let us just check the area out.
That was the archaeological museum. And
Yeah.
now
Not much to see.
not much to see.
Just some relics of, but there are relics from some Hindu gods, which was quite fascinating.
This is your Sea Cathedral. This one, and in front of and behind us this way, this is the Cathedral of Bom.
And
this-
just one small thing, if you are coming here, if this campus will take a good amount of like 2 to 3 hours. So I think we think it's better if you come a little
Either early in the morning or
very
let's say,
early in the morning or in the evening.
or in the evening.
Yeah.
So every church here stays open till 5 p.m. Immaculate Conception, 3 hours. So it's like 10 to 12 and then 3 to 5 p.m. Let's go to Bom Jesus now. So from behind me was the Sea Cathedral, and now we are going to Bom Jesus, Basilica of Bom Jesus, and this is a good amount of walk. So carry some water with you as well, so that you can be refreshed and hydrated all the time.
Hi everyone, so as you can see, we are in front of Basilica of Bom Jesus, and here the remains of Saint Francis is there. The whole interiors where the remains of Saint Francis has been kept is made of gold, and the architecture is marvelous. You should come and see this. This is a must visit place in Goa.
हम लोग आ गए हैं अभी पंजिम में, मेन पंजिम सिटी, और
फिशरमैन वॉर्फ जाते हुए हमें कैसीनो दिख गए, तो हमने सोचा कि आपको भी दिखा दें.
Fisherman's Wharf was quite good, and after that we thought of coming for a sweet shop at Konkani Canteen, but that gets closed. We're currently at Sequarium Beach Fort, so I'll let you know how it looks. So finally आज हमें मिला तो भी Sequarium Beach.
It's a nice place. We came here for the first time.
ये नॉर्थ गोवा में ही है, लेकिन हम लोगों ने कभी देखा नहीं. हम लोग अगवाड़ा फोर्ट चले गए थे, लेकिन दिस इज ऑल्सो गुड प्लेस टू
I
कम.
love the beach. Will, if possible, will make you have a look of it. और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे water activities.
ठीक है, चलो, कैच यू लेटर.
सिंक्वेरियम बीच से पनाजी वापस आते हमें लग गए करीब आधे घंटे, एंड वी वर टू हंग्री, सो वी जस्ट took a stroll around riverside walk and then headed towards our dinner destination.
Hey guys, so right now we are in front of Mum's Kitchen, and it is one of the very famous restaurants of Goa, and known for serving some authentic Goan dishes. So right now here we are for some desserts, some proper Goan desserts. Let's see what they have in store.
Being on a high calorie diet all throughout the day, we ordered only dessert. We ordered alebele and bibinka. If you want traditional Goan authentic food, please do visit this restaurant, Mum's Kitchen, where you can have a taste of Goa. ये वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. प्लीज़ लाइक बटन दबाइए और अपने कमेंट्स शेयर कीजिए आपको कैसा लगा ये वीडियो, और प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए चैनल देश मेरा रंगरेज पे.